So just quickly giving you how to use SQL Developer. Once you log into SQL Developer, we should see an interface something like this. You should the name here given for your connection. You'll have tables, views, and so on. In this case, I've already have done a lot of things, so I have a lot of tables already. So what we'll do next about 5 to 6 minutes is to show how to use those scripts that I gave you, copy them and create those tables and test them out. So the one I have sent you is this example 1 August 31st relational concept table, and there are a whole bunch of practice problems. So what you need to do is, first there is a create table. You basically copy that and create a worksheet. In order to create a worksheet here, you can see this icon says SQL worksheet. If you click, it opens up a new one. So you paste that script to create table. So you see everything that is highlighted in somewhat in this my interface is dark blue. All the reserved words like create table, primary key, number, car, not null, these are reserved words. So here is a table to keep track of the customers. I call it X1 cust. And the attributes are customer, social security number, name, state, zip. And a unique identifier for this each row is called primary key, cust SN. Now once you copy that, if there is no error, you should be able to run this particular statement. You can see run statement, an arrow, green arrow. If you run it, and if there is no error, you should get table EX1 cust created. Okay. Now it's good to what you call commit it, saying, hey, I've created it. I'm not going to retract this. So you can just click commit. So now it is committed. So if you go back, you should see the table there. I'm going to say refresh. So you see X cust 1 here. Now I've given you other statements to copy. So I want to insert a record into this particular table. So I copy that insert into. So I'm inserting a record with the social security number 111 and so on. Last name is Konana, Texas, and the zip. If the code is correct, if you click on run statement, it is now one row inserted. You can commit that. Now what I want you to do is follow that document, and there are lots of statements, and at each time after inserting something, you should see what kind of comment do you get. Okay, so you'll see in somewhere I ask you a question after, especially when you insert the third row, insert into EX1 values 111, 11, and so on. If I repeat that, you get some error. What I want you to do is go ahead and look at what kind of comments you get. Likewise, go and create another table, EX1 account and table EX1 transaction. And there are a whole bunch of instructions for you to follow. So I hope you can do that by tomorrow so that we can move very fast in class. Thank you.